How to add gift cards to your Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add gift cards to your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website you want to add the gift card. And then you will be in that website dashboard. Then you can go ahead to the apps and then click apps app market. After that, you can go to search box and then search gift cards, just like that. And then you will find some option here. You can choose Wix gift cards here. And then you can just click add to site here. It's loading. After that, you can go back to the dashboard. And then you can go to catalog here. And then gift cards, you can click it. And as you can see, this is your gift card overview. So after we install it or add it to our site, you will be see this page. So we're gonna click edit gift card, and then there are some general information, amounts and others. So you can just fill the name, maybe New Year gift card, just like that. Just for example. Then you can also add the description here, and then for the image you can change it if you want. You can upload your gift card image and then you can select it. I'm gonna just search from Wix. I'm gonna choose media from Wix, just for example. After you select your image, you can just click add to page and it's done. And the next step is amount. You can set up the price if you want. I mean the amounts. So yeah, you can customize it. And you can also check it to let customers enter their own custom amount. And then for the expiration, if you want to make it never expire, you can just check it this one. After that, you can just click save here, and it's done. Now you can click view in editor here. It's loading, and as you can see, this is your gift cards. You can customize it if you want. You can go back to the catalog and edit your gift cards. And also you can add more gift cards if you want. So that's it, how to add gift cards to your Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.